Dirt blowback into the pool. What causes sand to blow into the pool via the jets after vacuuming, backwashing, and rinsing? I turn the filter back on and sand comes shooting out of the pool jet.
One of a couple things. Either it's not really, is it pool sand or is it sand from underneath the pool somewhere? So we have to look for the source of it. But likely you're not backwashing long enough, and more importantly, you're probably not rinsing long enough. And basically the rinse cycle cleans out the valve assembly so any of the debris that might have settled in there during the backwashing process doesn't get shot back into the pool. So you run a longer backwash, run a longer rinse for sure, and I don't blame you for not wanting to because of the amount of water loss you're losing. And thirdly would be if it's just a fog that comes back into the pool, that could tell me a lot about the filter as well. Do we have some channeling going on in the filter so the backwash process really isn't cleaning the pool? It might be time to change the sand for certain, because oftentimes if you're backwashing and you're still getting that debris back, it means that the filter itself isn't doing what it's supposed to do. And then beyond that is this gritty? Is it something else? Is it filter sand, which could indicate, is the filter too full of sand? Did you put too much in the first place? But secondly, could it be a crack in a return line? Which oftentimes when you turn a filter system back on and you get that burst of sand or debris into the pool, that could indicate a plumbing leak itself. So you might want to monitor as well whether or not you're losing water in the pool.